Let's make garden veggie lasagna with only one seasoning. These are the veggies I'm using for this garden lasagna. Go ahead and chop them up, add some olive oil and garlic over medium-high heat, add your veggies, and then for seasoning, we're using that straight drop rub. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Make sure you season up those veggies, y'all. Go ahead and cook your lasagna noodles to al dente. Grab your ricotta cheese, crack 1 egg, and then some more of that Uncle Dibbz straight drop rub. Give it a good mix, set it to the side. Cook the veggies for about 25 minutes. Now let's put this lasagna together. Add your favorite pasta sauce, some lasagna noodles, then that ricotta cheese, then go ahead and throw your veggies in there. Top with some more of your pasta sauce, and then cover with mozzarella cheese. Repeat these steps over until you get to the end and make sure you cover with a generous amount of mozzarella cheese. Cover and bake at 350 for 30 minutes, and then hit it on broil for 4 minutes so the cheese comes out nice like this. That's good, Saudi.